Hello. Okay, let's bring y'all down. Hey y'all. You can tell by the title, I'm finna do my hair. Alright, boo. So this is what you're going to need to accomplish this hairstyle. You're gonna need a rat tail comb, crochet needle, and a edge control, jam, whatever of your choice. I'm using African Pride, Moisture Miracle, aloe, and coconut water edge styling wax. That's what I'm using. Looks like this for anybody that want to know. Hair ties, your choice of locks and length. This is the brand I always use. It's the Bobby Boss New Locks, extra long, soft and light. This is what they look like. Some people prefer to do their wrapping hair with like water wave hair. Me, I feel like that hair comes loose faster, so I like to use the kinkier hair. This is Bobby Boss Jamaican braid, lightweight. It looks like this. Let's go ahead and get started. The thing is that I will never do you how you did me. Every move I make, I always consider your feelings, feeling backstabbed and heartbroken. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Let me get in my contact creator bag, because I'm really like that. I'm really her. She just fell off, but she's back. Dun 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 dun. Alright, y'all, so I'm going in trying to part the back of my hair. This is hard for me, so bear with me. See, this is exactly why I don't be doing this shit. Let me see. I feel like it's crooked. It's crooked, ain't it? It's crooked. Be honest, I know it is. You ain't even gotta tell me. I know it's crooked as hell. Okay, so boom, angle change. Here's me thinking that I got a nice part. I'm showing y'all how big my little section is. Boop, it's still crooked. It's still crooked, but I'm finna try to fix it, y'all. Did I do a little better? It's fixed a little bit. I still miss a little piece, but we gonna go along with it, all right? Now I'm finna part out my first section, trying to make sure, you know, it's a good size, good amount of hair going into it. Once I figure out if that's how small or how big I want my little parts to be, my sections for my locks, then we're gonna get into it. Alright, we're gonna take our gel, jam, whatever you want to use, and put it at the roots of your hair. I do not put it on my whole entire head. It's gonna be covered up. There's no need to cover your hair and all that dang jam. Alright, now we're going to begin a 3-strand plait, just a regular plait. Just start plaiting your hair down. Trust the process, okay? When it's wrong, now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. Okay, so boom, don't mind my face. I don't know why I'm looking like that, but I'm showing y'all where you're going to open the loop of the lock. Now, once you find that loop with the lock, you're going to stick your finger through, or a rat tail comb, or whatever you want to. I'm going to show you how that look like right now. Boom, fingers through the hole. Now I'm going to take one strand from the plaits and put it through the loop of the lock, and then continue braiding my hair. Push the lock out of the way and continue to plait your hair as regular. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong, because I realize I've got myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow. Okay, so boom, this is what it should look like. You should have a lock and a plait strand. This is me showing y'all that it's locked in. I'm sorry, I don't know why I did that so vigorously, but it's locked in. All right, boom, there's the braiding hair. Now we're gonna take that crochet needle, put it through the root of your hair. Boom, it's through. Take that hair, one side shorter than the other, click it onto that crochet needle, close the crochet needle, slide it back through. Okay, pull the hair through, make sure it's even. Boom, it's even. Now we're going to begin wrapping. Wrap the way that the lock goes. Do not wrap the way that unravels the lock. So if your lock unravels to the right, wrap to the left. If your lock can unravel to the left, wrap towards the right. You got me? Thank you.
From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way.
Here's me showing y'all that I wrap the hair to the last strand of wrapping hair. This makes a good security for you, and then you're just gonna rub it. I don't know why you rub it, but people that have real locks rub their junk together when they get retwist. So I guess it does something. I don't know, but rub that thing. Like trying to create some friction between them palms, okay? And we got our first lock. Okay, nice and neat. Looking real good, y'all. It's looking real good. Alright, after this, I'm going to speed it up. Real fast and forward. Real speed, okay? Hey y'all, I did my first row. Here it is. That's first row. Past the damn these long. But my first row done, but I'm hungry. This is what happens. This is why it takes forever, because when you do your own hair, it's like, whose time are you on? Can you eat my pizza and watch an episode? Okay, so once I do my first 2 rows in the back, I always stop and create a rainbow part from ear to ear. This separates the front section of your hair from the back section of your hair, because that's how I part. And then I'm going to show you how many more rows I am going to create in the back. And yeah, I don't know. And now the back is done. As you can see, you see why we create that U part from ear to ear. Gives that a good foundation for the back of your hair. So boom, the back is done. It's looking good. I'm gonna give y'all a little close up so I can get into it. But boom, bada bang. The parts aren't perfect, but they're good enough. Cause matter of fact, they look pretty good. Let me stop downplaying myself. We're gonna give a little ponytail look. Yeah, real nice and neat. Okay. All right. Here I am giving y'all a close up of another like tutorial in case the first one you didn't get. Boom, we're going with the gel with the roots. Gel on the roots, not the whole hair strand. Please and thank you. Plait that thing. Not all the way down, but long enough to where the lock is the same length as the rest of your locks. We're gonna plait it, okay? I'm not going into crazy details this instruction time, because I already did it the first time, baby. Just take a look. Plait that thing. We still playing that thing. Still, boom. Loop. Find that loop. Get your finger through. Open it up. There you go. I'm showing y'all the loop. You know, I got y'all. Again, gonna take a strand of hair. One strand. It don't matter what strand, y'all. It don't matter what strand. But you're gonna take it, pull it through the loop. Just like that, yup. Yeah, yes, we're doing our hair. We're doing our own hair. Who's sitting in the chair paying $250? Not us. And continue playing your hair down. Just like that. That simple, y'all. I promise. It's that simple.
A claps.
After we're done plaiting, what's the next step? Say it with me. Crochet needle. Let's put it through. Boom. Sometimes it might be a little difficult because, of course, you want to plait your hair a little tight so your hair lasts a little long. But put that needle through. Once you get it through, let's get our braiding hair, our wrapping hair. Again, you can use the water wave, whatever type of hair, but I like the kinkier one. So let's get it. One side what? Shorter than the other. Thank you. Let's go. Put that thing through. Boom. What are we gonna do next? Make sure it's even. We're learning. I hear y'all. We learning. Make sure that thing even. And get to wrapping again. I'm showing y'all. Wrap with the lock. Y'all saw which way that lock twisted? Wrap with the lock, not against the lock. Thank you.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. Need to worry my space. Baby, I'm late, but I can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna leave. And my body says,
Come on now. Y'all see the material. Y'all see the material. Stop playing with me. Come on. And after this, and y'all do y'all own soft lock, stop playing with y'all. I need to start having some classes or something. Because I know you over there doing your hair and it's looking right. It can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with it, I promise. Now we finna speed it up and finish this head. I hope y'all enjoy. I'm gonna be quiet. Y'all ain't gonna hear from me no more. Anyways, hold on. Okay, y'all, so I am finally done with my hair. And baby, she is long. Cause what Cardi say? Long ass weave. It be tickling my ass crack. Yeah, don't play, you know. Here's a little side. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yes, we be tickling my ass crack. It's giving length. It's giving nice. It's giving neat. It's giving me. I gotta do my edges. I'm done. I'm tired. But I'm pretty. I'm so happy, I'm so happy, so happy. Time to go outside, time to go run errands for no reason, okay? Look good, I feel good, like the parts is getting so cute, yeah, all that. Full, length and full. Yes, that is it for this Soft Loc's beginner friendly tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my other videos. Don't mind this on my face, y'all. My mirror fell and tried to knock me out. The opposition trying to take me out. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, and always remember to live life, choose you, love yourself, and be kind. Bye.